My name is Dr. Ramchand Vedaiyan. I'm from Dayananda Sagar University, basically from Technology and Management, which is in Kanakpura campus near Kanakpura. Today the VAPT, that is Vulnerability Assessment and Pen Testing, the training was quite good, and now we intake the knowledge from this NSP. But still, the knowledge that we have intake from today's training, we need to translate it to the students' requirement because as I am a teacher from the Department of Cybersecurity, the skills that we have acquired will definitely help our students for the placement and training, because the institution, the Dayananda Sagar, is leaping up the ladder, to enhance the skill of the students to get them placed when they come out of their graduation. When it comes to key aspect, the key person from Russia and the backend team from Russia, they joined online. The session was quite interesting, and it has a lot of value. Dayananda Sagar is trying to collaborate with this NSP. Many more trainings to be taken by the students for the benefit of both the management, student, as well as to the NSP. Thank you so much for the opportunity for being here.